Are you prepared to spend your last days of relaxation on Maui's gorgeous beaches with Tesla? In this video, we'll examine the thrilling possibility that the Cybertruck might send Tesla stock hurtling to new heights, as well as the year-end retirement opportunity that lurks beneath this information. The excitement surrounding the introduction of this groundbreaking car could propel Tesla's stock prices to new heights, offering an excellent opportunity for a shrewd investor to cash in on a few shares and generate steady passive income. To determine the exact impact the Cybertruck can have, we'll go into the specifics of production and delivery in 2024 and 2025. This video has all the information you need to stay ahead of the competition, from the estimated deliveries of 90,000 Model X and 1.1 million Model Y to the computation of price averages. Await a thrilling journey into the world of Tesla stocks and discover whether the Cybertruck has the ability to transport you back to Cancun's sandy beaches indefinitely. Only the Cybertruck has the potential to skyrocket stock prices in 2023. The Cybertruck resets Tesla stock, and if Tesla mass manufactures and launches it, the hoopla around it might get even bigger. Yes, energy and FSD will increase Tesla shares, but not as much as the Cybertruck. This striking and futuristic pickup truck is unlike anything you have ever seen, with an unmatched blend of efficiency, style, and power. The Cybertruck's bulletproof glass and ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel exterior make it resistant to any and all road hazards. This electric beast is sure to turn heads and leave the competition in the dust, especially with its 500-mile range and 2.9-second 0 to 60 mile/hour performance. Thus, the Tesla Cybertruck is the best option if you're searching for a vehicle that matches your level of toughness and innovation. The primary factors for Tesla stock's ascent to new heights and all-time highs are as follows. However, we should anticipate a lot of enthusiasm, orders, and hype for the Cybertruck if it is mass-produced, gets on the road, and sales continue to flow in. This will probably result in increased margins and revenues and keep the stock at record highs. We'll look at deliveries and manufacturing in 2023 and 2024 to see if the Cybertruck can send Tesla shares skyrocketing and enable you to retire early. All production quantities, delivery %S, and deliveries have been entered by me. The Cybertrucks will be handled collaboratively. I project that there will be 1.1 million Model Y, 700,000 Model 3s, and 90,000 Model XS by 2023. Regarding the Cybertruck, it is anticipated that it will deliver 5,000 units in 2023, despite its projected 50,000 deliveries in 2024. As previously said, let us consider a scenario in which the Model X utilizes 90,000 deliveries and, let's say, 4,750 semi-deliveries. For the Model X, let's compute their price averages and returns. Pricing average plus an additional 10% off. Even if Tesla hasn't done it yet, a further 10% price reduction would bring the average Model X down to $100,000 and bring in $8.6 billion in revenue. I applied the same 10% price reduction to the Model 3 and Model Y, and the result is an average of $45,000 for the former and $50,000 for the latter. In addition, in the event that Tesla reduces the Model 3 more, let's say by $40,000, the Model 3 will no longer be worth more than $40,000 prior to the $7,500 in EV credits. It will cost approximately $39,000. In that scenario, the Model 3 alone generates nearly $30 billion in income for us. Let us now discuss Cybertrucks. Although 3,000 Cybertrucks in 2023 sounds good, mass production of Cybertrucks won't begin until 2025 or 27. I would be happy if 3,000 units were manufactured in 2023 because the concept is simple, but the great demand will make production difficult. 1.6 million pre-orders for Cybertruck. With my 98% delivery rate, 2,940 Cybertrucks will be delivered to us in 2023. According to some reports, the average selling price is $55,000 or more, which is quite a high price. It's ridiculous that some of you are claiming $60,000 while others have been claiming upwards of $80,000. Due to manufacturing stoppages, Tesla was unable to fulfill the overwhelming volume of pre-orders it received for the Model 3 and Model Y. Therefore, $55,000 seems like the most realistic estimate in my opinion. Aiming for a conservative $55,000, the Cybertruck's first-year revenue of nearly $162 million is a terrific result for the margins. Nevertheless, I do think that at least 20%, probably closer to 25% to 30%. But let's be cautious. 20% at a rate of $55,000. To be cautious, I have a strong hunch that it will be much more than that. Now, take a look at these figures. Almost 1.8 million vehicles are delivered, with 1.9 million vehicles produced overall, and average selling prices of $51,000. These rates include an additional 10% off on all of them, with the exception of semis and Cybertrucks, of course, but that won't really matter because the most of them will be Model 3s and Model Ys, at least through 2023. Thus, that accounts for the majority of the impact. With approximately $92.5 billion in total revenue in 2023 and operating, margin increase of 12.2% would result in about $11.3 billion in net income. For 2024, every company in the auto industry will report a loss, but Tesla is expected to report a net income of $11 billion. After figuring out 2024 Tesla production and delivery, we'll look at the 2023 Tesla stock price. Regarding this, it is anticipated that 120,000 Model S, 120,000 Model X, and 1 million Model 3 units will be delivered. Everything about this is definitely possible. It is reasonable to anticipate that average prices will remain unchanged, while economies of scale may cause prices to drop even further in 2024, not because of a drop in price, of course. As a result, Tesla can lower the price of the Model S or maintain it at the current level because it is less expensive to produce these cars. Tesla intends to produce 1,000 Cybertrucks every week by 2023. 2024 is ludicrous, yet doable because they have a great deal of experience and know they must mass produce this vehicle. With 22% margins, it is possible to reach 50,000 total annual production in 2024, which would bring Tesla's revenue up to about $600 million from $32 million in 2023. This implies that simply for Cybertrucks, there will be a 20x increase or almost so between 2024 and 2024. The average cost of the Cybertruck as a whole will help, but the Semi will help even more. With mass scale unmatched by any other truck and an average selling price that will rise, Tesla could make $20 billion in net income, nearly double that of 2023, with total sales of over $132 billion and operating margins of over 15%. There will be a significant change in Tesla's overall revenue and net profitability in 2024. What does this imply for stock prices in 2023 and 2024? And more significantly, what does it imply for retirement? In 2023, energy alone will bring in a 15% margin if they bring in $7.5 billion. That's more than $1 billion in profits from just energy. For the previous 3 quarters, Tesla's energy operating margin has consistently hovered around 10 to 12%. Given that energy is scarce and that I believe Tesla energy will surprise everyone in 2023, I estimate it was 12% in the fourth and final quarter and 15% in 2023. When we get the whole picture in 2023, I believe we are emerging from this recession, probably with the Fed leading the way, and by 2024, everyone will be riding high in the bull market. Since the Cybertruck is the newest and most profitable product, it alone has the potential to propel us to the moon or beyond. The next action will be to support Tesla for the next 3 to 4 years. The 25,000 cars in front were allotted. Observe the energy aspect, the FSD aspect, and of course the Cybertruck. They may sell the FSD to them as well, and they sell a lot more. Upon closer inspection, Tesla's master plan appears to be a vast network that functions as a sophisticated and profitable machine. A high 60p will probably yield $461 USD per share and $1.5 trillion in 2024 due to the buzz surrounding Cybertruck. Now, let's calculate. Assume that an investor needs $1.7 million to live comfortably in retirement after selling certain stocks and investing the proceeds in passive indices such as the SP 500, which has an average annual return of 8%. In order to retire comfortably in the Bahamas in 2024, you will require 3,687 shares if the price per share drops to $461 as a result of the Cybertruck. There you have it then. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you like the video. I'll see you in the next one.